Hi, this is our almost everyday struggle here. I'm going through the farm. This truck is 4x4, but we could hardly manage to get into the farm, inside the farm. We're stuck. Couldn't maneuver the vehicle, so we need to dig a little further down so the wheels could, you know, go up. Then we need probably stones later on, or cement, a concrete one. So look at the engine cover. Nanatag bato siguro kanila. Ako lang siguro ni idiretso dito.
Oh.
Di man nalaom. Bato lang ang tubangan. So ano to? Piko. So it's always like this, maybe once a week. But you know, we need to haul or to get the forays into the farm. So we're taking the chances here. Anyway, we can get through this in maybe a few minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So after we fix this up underneath, gonna drive this vehicle out. Right. Kini na rito, no? Muna itong lubong kayo. Muna itong kabkaban. Ha? Buliko ko dito. Oh. How do we get out of here?